In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into ChatGPT using an Apple account. If you prefer keeping things simple with one sign-in, using your Apple account to access ChatGPT is quick and secure. All you need is a reliable internet connection and your Apple ID credentials ready on the device you're using. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the official ChatGPT website. Any modern browser works fine, but keeping it updated helps everything load smoothly. When the page opens, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click that. If you're brand new to ChatGPT, don't worry. Using Login with Apple can also set things up for you the first time. It simply ties your Apple ID to ChatGPT, so you don't have to remember another password. Once you're on the login page, you'll be offered a few ways to sign in. Choose the option that says, Continue with Apple. It usually appears with the Apple logo, making it easy to spot. Selecting this keeps the sign-in process within Apple's secure system, which is great for convenience and consistency across your devices. After you click Continue with Apple, you'll either see your Apple account ready to select, or you'll be asked to sign in. If your device is already using an Apple ID, you may just need to confirm that it's the account you want to connect to ChatGPT. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Apple ID credentials to proceed. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. They're there to confirm that it's really you and to finalize the connection. The key idea is simple. Pick the Apple account you want associated with ChatGPT, or sign in to the one you plan to use and let the page complete the process. That's it. Once the connection is made, you'll land right in ChatGPT and can start using it immediately. On future visits, this will be even faster. Just choose Continue with Apple again, and you'll be signed in with minimal clicks. If something looks off, a quick page refresh or trying a different up-to-date browser usually clears it up. To recap, go to the ChatGPT website, click Login at the top right, choose Continue with Apple, and select or sign in to the Apple account you want to use. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined sign-in experience with your Apple account.